Alright, so I have another pretty unique puzzle for you guys. I'm on a bit of a roll with this. If you haven't seen our last live of when I revisited one of my old puzzles, kind of, I am also, again today, revisiting an old Playmates puzzle. So cute. I have found a replacement for this one. So adorable. How much do I love it, you ask? I don't know. Let's find out. Hello everyone! I just did a double wave, that's super weird. Look at me. Alright, so, today I have an exciting puzzle for you guys. It is, like I said in my little intro, the replacement to this bad boy. Very much kind of only, not like the one we did in the live, it is actually the whole replacement. It is the whole puzzle. So yeah, I'm on a real roll with finding these replacement puzzles. I've got a replacement for the dragon, I have a replacement for this, I have a halfway replacement for one of the ones out there. The only one I'm missing is like this fish puzzle that I'm crazy about that I think it's from a company that actually went out of business, unfortunately. So that one's a tougher sell. This one was actually surprisingly easy to find. Made by Sun's Out, that really surprised me, but I guess the older I get, the less that should surprise me because they do a lot of shape puzzles, they do a lot of round puzzles. They veer away from the traditional rectangle more than most other companies that I've seen, minus the ones that have basically made their bones just making shape puzzles. But yeah, so today I have the copy of this to redo, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because it is so adorable. Love this puzzle. This takes me back to my childhood. Don't know why I ever glued this puzzle. I was a lunatic when I was a kid. Clearly glued a lot of puzzles that I really regret. I mean, it was a good idea at the time. I really liked the idea of being able to look at it forever until I realized you can only look at it forever. The positives and minuses of gluing. I totally get it. It's a big accomplishment. You never, ever, 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 ever care to do the puzzle again in your life. That kind of deal. I have discovered with time I am not one of those people. Like if I was to tape a puzzle, maybe that would be okay because you could untape it. But permanent? I can't see there ever being one that I want to do that to again. Live and learn. Maybe one day before I die, I'll have replaced all of the puzzles that I mistakenly glued in my misspent youth. But yeah, so that's my life goal, just so everyone knows, to rebuy/find other ones from the series that are now rare commodities. Yay! If only I'd known this when I was a kid and they were everywhere. To go back to like 7 or 8-year-old me and be like, hey! Don't do that, don't be an idiot, don't do that, you will regret it, mistakes will be made. Alright, a present. Please hang. Back where it belongs. Here's your hanging devices. Thank you. Okay. All right. Well, he does that. Let's get into it. Up. Whee! So it is still a round puzzle. It's still all those things. Still the same size and all that as the old thing. This one is pretty much an exact copy. And an interesting little side note, in case there's anyone out there who also, like me, does regret gluing possibly past puzzles, want to revisit an old haunt, the way I usually go about finding a puzzle, especially if I don't know the name of it, it does take a lot of time, research, all that good stuff. I start by Googling what the picture's about, and if I remember the piece count, I include that. Like in this case, it was Kittens, and 1,000 pieces. Sometimes it's extremely helpful if you can make out the artist's signature, if there is one, or a copyright, anything at the bottom. Try searching by that. That sometimes yields results. And other times, it was just an old, super rare puzzle. It is the thrift store for you until you find it. I am in that boat with a couple of them, so I totally understand the frustration. But yeah, oh yes, and if you are interested in this puzzle, as always, links are in the bottom. No headhunting for you guys. It's right there for you. They're in the description. So if you're interested, give those a check out. I guess it's hard to know if you're interested. I mean, if you're interested just by the image, yay! But interest might peak as I actually do the puzzle, which I guess is what I'm here for. Okay, you guys, so we are gonna do a close-up. I got some cool things to show you. Okay, so as you can see, the nice lovely pile of pieces. I've got the circle complete. Whee! And I've got a pot, I've got the stone wall, the paint palette, part of the sleeping kitty down there, and then the bowling ball. So, one of the really cool things that I will say about round puzzles, and I think the only reason that I got the whole edge right the first time around is mostly because I've done this one before. I find 9 times out of 10 you miss a whole bunch of pieces with shape puzzles. And anyone who's looking for a quick, easy puzzle, I'd really say that this is one. Because honestly, I can't pick it up. Goodness, what's wrong with
I
you?
got it on the mouse, yeah. Right now. Well, okay, let me flip it back.
So really, honestly, until you get to the cat fur itself, and even then it's not too bad because they're all fairly defined, it's actually a quick, easy puzzle because everything is so clear. Like, you know what the pot is for sure. The wallpaper is super distinct. You got the bowling ball. I've got all the super defined things all done. And then the cats themselves stand out. So it's a really fantastic puzzle if you're just looking for something quick and easy. Okay. Back at it. Okay. Alright, you guys, let's do another close-up. Oh, I can't wait to show this to you. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh. Alright. I almost didn't look what I was doing again. Look at me go. Ah, gold star. Okay, so you guys, I just love this puzzle. Let's look at how cute the kitties are. Oh my goodness. The two at the top have always been my favorite. I love the ones climbing on the book and the one coming out of the pot. Oh my goodness. Sleeping kitty, that's my life. Oh my goodness. Sleeping, napping happily. And the little artist kitty, there you go. Oh my goodness. So many memories. It just brings back so many flashbacks. All in all, you guys know the drill. Sun's Out's really good quality. All the pieces go together as they should, particularly being shaped. It's, like, there's really no issues with it at all. So yeah. Okay, that's it for me. Okay, all done. Okay, should we do a close-up so everyone can see? Alright everyone, here you go, a puzzle of my childhood. What do you guys think? I just love them. I think they're so cute. I still really like that sleeping kitty. He is like the story of my life. And you got the little kitties playing on the paint palette, and the one just chilling on the cushion in the middle. So cute. Ah. Yes. Oops, that was probably really fast. Oopsies. So sorry, you guys. Hope I didn't make anyone motion sickness. Anyways, that was super fun. I'm glad I got to share that with you guys. A replacement puzzle from my youth. I will never glue puzzles again. Boy, did I ever learn my lesson that way. It's not for everyone. Some people just love it, and I understand completely why they like it. I like having the picture aspect of it. I don't so much like how it feels when you want to go do it again. Anyways, you guys, like I said, if you're interested in this puzzle for yourselves, the affiliate links are in the bottom of the description. You do not have to go headhunting for hours like I did for this one, although this was one of the easier ones to replace at the end of the day, thankfully. Whew. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.